Welcome back to my channel, my angels. I hope you all are doing good. I hope you all want to have that pink, glowing, and clear skin naturally. But how would be your question? Am I correct? Well, I have a great remedy for you. For this, you will need some rose buds or a rose petal, whichever you get it easily. I'm using here a few rose buds, maybe 8 to 9 numbers. So, what does rosebuds contain? Rosebuds has a lot of anti-inflammatory and antibacterial property, and rose extracts are also high in vitamin C. So they stimulate your collagen naturally. Now, rose buds or petals has vitamin E, which keeps your face moisture locked. And in this also goes milk, which is very good to remove tan and makes your skin tight and fresh. Now you have to make sure that the rose buds or rose petals which you're gonna use should be washed properly so that there is no dust particles on it. So yeah, here it is all clean. I will be adding this to a mixer jar or a blender, and also add desired amount of milk, maybe 1 tablespoon to 1.5 tablespoon. To this I'm gonna add 1 tablespoon of honey, which is a very good anti-inflammatory again, and also makes your skin baby soft. So once you add honey to it, after one blend, the mixture looks somewhat like this. To make it thicken, I'm gonna add rice flour, maybe 1 tablespoon. Yeah. Now for binding, you can use either Besan, that is Gramflour, or rice flour as you wish. I'm using rice flour here, which is very good in renovation and youthful skin life. Rice flour also acts as a natural scrub to this remedy. So once it is done, it looks something like this. Yeah. So apply this on your face and leave it for 10 to 15 minutes until it is dried up. Here I'm showing you my face has already got some boil because of PMS, and it's really painful. Make sure you clean your face before applying any mask. So that's what I have done, and as you can see, I'm applying the mask to my face. A small reminder to you all, my angels, once you apply this or any pack, okay, do not talk or open your mouth because it might create sagging soft wrinkles on your skin. See the amount of glow which you get after using this remedy. And I hope you found this very useful. Please try it with your loved ones also. If you find my effort helpful, please like and subscribe to my channel Beauty Basics with Sani, and to watch future such lovely remedies or DIYs, click on the bell icon to get notified. Love you all. Thanks for watching. See you soon. Mwah. Take care.